switch over to solar energy, and it looks like they can help the reliability of the grid. Our KRHD reporter Brittany DeFran explains.
Is Texas a good place to install solar panels? Well, some Texans are making the transition in hopes of reducing the overall demand on the grid. Bill Flores with ERCOT says he believes in making the switch to solar energy. And with record demand, he hopes he can be one less person contributing to the load of energy on the grid.
We're going to have record demand again today in the ERCOT grid. And I was hoping to have this system actually installed last Tuesday so I could be a net contributor of power to the grid instead of a net draw.
And according to William Arvance, owner and president of Solar Texas, the costs are becoming more accessible, and he hopes to help educate Texans regarding how they can see the return on their investment over the years.
With the financing, we're looking at really low interest rates, long term, so you can break that cost over 10, 15, 25 years. And so you really are looking at a product that is now very affordable. Plus you have the 26% federal tax credit, which ends this year, which helps reduce some of those costs.
Reporting Brittany DeFran, KRHD News.